best trading tips for traders using the BYBT strategy. Trading GBP/JPY in the New York session. Identifying the market structure. Lower high. Lower high. Using two touching points concept for trend line. Shall join this, giving us our trend. This is giving us our uptrend. We are having impulse to the upside, impulse to the upside, impulse to the upside. We get a retest back to previous zones of support and aligning with our trend line. Momentum candle confirming momentum to the upside. We take our buy, the closure, the candle, the plus to the previous support zone. Aim for new highs. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow for more trading tips. If you like to understand more of these concepts, check out our ebook, link in the description. Thank you for watching.